Vinyl wrapping or car wrapping your vehicle allows you to change the appearance of your vehicle without needing to get a permanent paint job. I'm Oscar from R3 Auto Detailing here in Houston, Texas, and if you want to wrap your hood, roof, or the entire vehicle, we can help you do that. The price of the service and how long it's going to take, it's highly dependent on the type of vehicle that you have, what exactly you want wrapped, and the type of color or film you want to use. For example, to wrap your hood, that might take an hour, but if you wanted to wrap your entire vehicle, based on how big and how complex the panels are, can take up to 3 or 4 days. Vinyl wrapping is a very tedious process. This service must be done at our shop location where we have control of our environment. We want to make sure that the vehicle is prepped properly and that we don't get any debris under the film as we're installing it on your vehicle. If you'd like to learn more, click the link down below or fill out the form on this website and we'll be in contact with you very soon.